by utilizing a lot of landing page creators. But at the end of the day, if you want to tweak certain things like hyperlinks or certain parts of the landing page, you must know basic HTML. The reality is that even though you are using also Visual WYSIWYG, or what you see is what you get, HTML editors, you will still run into basic coding issues that often prevent you from moving forward. Now, does that sound familiar to you? Have you utilized these landing page creators and then all of a sudden you realize that you need to know basic HTML coding and that's continuously in the way? Well, you might be running away from trying to learn basic HTML code because it's just too complicated or it looks too complicated. But the reality of it all is that these problems will appear over and over again. Soon you will find yourself running in circles, frustrated. So we definitely don't want that to happen again. So learning just the basics of HTML code will allow you to create hyperlinks that link to other websites, add pictures, format your fonts and text, and make that your content far more search engine friendly. So even when you encounter site builders or content management systems like, say for example, WordPress or Joomla or anything like that, you will still need to know basic HTML code. Because like I said, you'll still run into issues where you will need to know things like creating hyperlinks, making sure the hyperlinks are external links open into new windows, and things like that. The truth is that compared to a lot of other languages, HTML is the easiest to learn. And you'll actually see for it in just a minute when we dive into the actual video course on the inside. So now is your chance. If you've always wanted to build web pages but were intimidated by code, well, this video course will help you learn the basics so that you really can survive and even thrive in the online world, regardless of what you're trying to do. So finally, you get to learn the basics of HTML code so that you can edit HTML easily, even if you're a technophobe. This 9-part video course is designed to show you how you can quickly and easily learn the basics of HTML so that you can survive the online world. So here's a quick videos overview of the videos themselves right now. So video number 1 is going to be the introduction to HTML. Video number 2, we're going to talk about hacking without knowing code. So how do you go about using these HTML editors to create pages to be able to kind of hack your way around it so you don't need to know code? Now, I want to start with this video because before we actually dive into the actual code, it'll make more sense as you begin to get your feet wet and get yourself confident. So video number 3, we're going to move on past that. Once you're confident, we'll actually move into the basics of open and close tags. This is crucial. Video number 4, we're going to talk about headings, because you're going to run into headings anytime you create content on WordPress, on Joomla, on any type of lead landing page creator. You are going to run into heading tags. So we want to make sure that we nip it in the bud before we move on to the others. So video number 5, we're going to talk about break tags. How do you make it so that you have break lines? So as you're creating paragraphs and as they're getting bigger, how do you get breaks so that they look nice? So that you have white space in between. And video number 6, we're going to talk about basic formatting. Video number 7, lists, unordered lists, and ordered lists. And video number 8, image tags. We're going to talk about that. And of course, in video number 9, we are going to talk about hyperlinks. So hopefully by the end of this video course, you will understand and have memorized some of the basic HTML code so that you can get yourself into creating landing pages, get past the roadblocks that you constantly have been facing for years to come. So go ahead and grab this video course now so that you don't even have to worry whether you can get past the technical web page roadblocks again. And we look forward to seeing you on the inside.